And here's I'll show you how to customize Adobe Acrobat default settings. From your Adobe Acrobat, click on Edit and open Preferences. And under Categories, select Full Screen. And then you can enable or disable any of these options. Current document only, full screen with one page at a time. And you can also adjust these full screen navigation options. And you can also change your full screen background color from here. Then go to General section, and here under Basic Tools you can go ahead and change the settings according to your needs. Then go to Page Display. Also here you can change your page layout, you can change zoom option, you can change your resolution, you can change your rendering. So using these three options you can easily go ahead and change your Adobe Acrobat default settings according to your requirements.